Amana's error code F05 signals a detected or potential refrigerant leak in your refrigerator's cooling system. This code is a safety measure, causing the unit to shut down the compressor and cooling functions to prevent refrigerant exposure and potential fire hazards, especially given that newer models use flammable refrigerants like R600A isobutane. The error is primarily seen in Amana models manufactured roughly between 2010 and 2020, though more recent models can also experience this issue. Due to environmental regulations and safety concerns, professional servicing by a certified technician, EPA Section 608 certification required in many U.S. jurisdictions, is essential for addressing this problem. DIY attempts to fix refrigerant leaks are often illegal and dangerous. The F05 error code does not always indicate a physical refrigerant leak. It can be triggered by faulty sensors, power surges, or software glitches. Modern Amana refrigerators incorporate artificial intelligence to predict F05 errors, and Whirlpool provides remote troubleshooting through Wi-Fi-enabled models. To diagnose the issue, technicians check for leaks using electronic leak detectors or UV dye tests. If a leak is confirmed, a certified technician must evacuate the system, repair the leak by replacing faulty tubing or seals, and recharge the system with refrigerant. In some cases, especially for models affected by recalls, a firmware update can resolve the problem by fixing sensor flaws. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the condenser coils annually, helps prevent F05 errors from occurring. Ignoring the F05 error can lead to compressor failure, resulting in escalating repair costs and environmental harm. The average repair cost ranges from $300 to $600.